Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. After dinner, when I crave sugar, I go for what we have in the house. Now, because there's only the two of us, I bake, but not as much as most people. So what are my options when there's no pies, cakes, or cookies around? Well, I make a cocktail. It's either chocolate martini, Spanish coffee, golden sunset, or this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my white Russian. With a nice sweet coffee background, this is a delicious way to end a meal. It takes only 2 minutes to make. Pretty quick, right? This is a great classic cocktail to add to your bar folder. So my friends, let's get mixing. Alright, so in an old-fashioned glass, we'll add a couple ice cubes, some flavorless vodka, followed by coffee liqueur such as Kahlua or Tia Maria, and some half and half. On the blog, I talk about the misconception of using strictly heavy cream for this mix, so check it out. We'll give a quick stir to blend and voila! And my friends, this is our white Russian. Extremely quick and easy to make, this after-dinner cocktail is so tasty. It's perfect when entertaining or when you want to indulge yourself. This classic drink should definitely be on your bar menu. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!